Welcome to GW Manager. In this video, I'll show you how to bulk delete your Google Workspace users using SmartFilters in GW Manager. GW Manager already gives you an option to directly delete your users without going via SmartFilters. So where would you need SmartFilters versus directly using the delete function? If you already have a list of users that you want to delete in bulk from your HR system, or from your student information or student management systems, you should directly use GW Manager's Delete Users function, where you can copy and paste the list of users that you have and use our directly delete function. Now, SmartFilters will help you in case if you need to filter the data in your admin console and then delete that filtered users list. Let me show you a quick demo. I'm in my admin console, and under GW Demo org unit, I have 10 users. Out of these 10 users, 1 is active and 9 are suspended. And today, my task is to delete these 9 users, or delete all the users that are part of this GW Demo organization unit. Instead of going with GW Manager's direct delete filter, where you need to take a bunch of steps exporting the users, then filtering the sheet, you can better use GW Manager's SmartFilters. In my Google Sheet, I'll go to Extension and then launch GW Manager. If you do not see GW Manager under Extensions, please visit our website to learn more about installation options. Once the add-on is launched, under Feature, I will choose Manage Users. And then here I will see a new feature, SmartFilters Export. I'll click on that. It will ask me to insert SmartFilters Export sheet if it's not installed yet. I already have it installed, so I will click on Execute. It will open a pop-up where I can select the features and filters. I'm deleting users, so I'll click Delete Users. All the filters that are used here will be using AND logic. Now, I need to delete users that are part of only GW Demo org unit. So here I can put the name of the org unit. If I put /, that denotes the root organizational unit. So I'll type GW Demo. And here I can put user's last login if needed. It also gives me an option to select whether I want to export users that are regular users or delegated admins. If I skip this, it will export all the users that will fit other criteria regardless of whether they are admins or not. Now, I want to only include users that are in suspended state. So I will click this checkbox, and I'm expecting this active user shouldn't be part of my filtered list. After putting my criteria and selecting the features, when I click on Export to Delete Sheet, this will export the data and overwrite any existing data that you might have in Delete Users sheet. So please keep that in mind. I understand that, so I'll click on this checkbox and Export to Delete Sheet. GW Manager has now provided me the filtered list, and it did not include the user that was active 123 and only the suspended users based on the criteria that we defined. Now we can go to Delete Users and have the Delete Users function selected, then click on Execute to delete these users. And within a short span of time, GW Manager would delete these 9 users and give us the status. And it has successfully deleted all of them. So now let's go back to admin console. Let's do quick reload and go to GW Manager. And now we only have 1 active user as expected. If we go to all users and then recently deleted users, we see that these 9 users were deleted by GW Manager. This is how you can use SmartFilters to filter down your users list and make it ready for one-click operation. You can do much more with GW Manager, and we are constantly adding new features based on customers' feedback. In fact, SmartFilters is the result of our customer feedback. To learn more, please visit our website, gwmanager.com. Thank you for watching.